So let's can our leftover shiitake mushrooms. Nothing goes to waste in Roots and Resilience. So we're going to start by adding some salt and some vinegar to some boiling water. We're going to boil our mushrooms for approximately 5 minutes to get the air out of them and to kill off any microbes that are living in them. Following the boiling, we're going to place our hot mushrooms into freshly sterilised jars. And we're going to fill them to approximately 1 centimetre from the top of the jar. We'll then use our leftover boiling brine mixture, and we'll be sure to submerge the mushrooms, getting rid of the air bubbles as we go. Push our mushrooms below the surface, and then get ready to place the sealed jars inside the pressure cooker. Time to seal the jars up. Lids on, and then screw them up, finger tight. Once our pressure cooker's up to temperature, our jars need to stay in there for around 10 minutes. Once cooled, we'll remove from the pressure cooker and we'll set them aside. They should last for around 18 months. And now off to the flouring room to trim the next batch of shiitakes and those lovely oyster mushrooms. I'm Daniel, and that was an update from Roots and Resilience. Have a lovely day.